What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are going to be riding today, but first we gotta bleed these brakes. It's got brake pressure's not as much as there as it usually.
You want.
I just made these mirror block offs not too long ago. 3D printed them. Let's see my name on it. Pretty sick. Might need some new brake pads too. Hopefully after this it'll grab. I don't think I need to change them yet. A couple lost sessions still. Looking clean. We're gonna eat some breakfast, load up, and then hit the lot.
Are we recording? We're at the lot, baby. Going warm up today. Bye. Battery.
So it is week number 2. We got a new battery in there because last lot session my battery died. So we got a new battery in there. It starts up great. So this lot session should go pretty good. I practiced some stoppies to try to get those taller and taller. So yeah, we'll see.
right, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button for more content. More content's coming for the new year. And Happy New Year, everybody.